10 Best Home Remedies to Get Rid of Acne, Pimples, Dark Spots, and Deep Scars. 1. Iced Green Tea. How to use. Just note before rubbing the ice cubes, steam your face so that the pores get open and the goodness of green tea enter the pores. Do it twice a day, in the morning when you get up and before going to sleep. Just note before rubbing the ice cubes, steam your face so that the pores get open and the goodness of green tea enter the pores. Do it twice a day, in the morning when you get up and before going to sleep. Benefits. Green tea contains a high amount of antioxidants that fight free radicals that damages your skin. It has antiseptic properties that kill germs that causes acne and pimples and keep your skin beautiful and healthy. 2. Baking soda and lemon juice mask. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice to it. Mix it properly to make a thick paste. Apply the paste to the affected area. Let it dry for 5–10 minutes. Once it dries, take some water on your hand and slowly scrub the affected area on your face. Wash your face using lukewarm water and pat dry. If your face becomes too dry, then apply some antiseptic lotion or moisturizer. Benefits. Baking soda helps to keep the skin pores clean by removing bacteria and excess oil that causes pimples. Lemon acts as a natural bleach that lightens the skin and removes dark spots. It helps to remove the dead skin and gives a fairer complexion. 3. Green coconut water. How to use. Cut a fresh green coconut and pour the green coconut water to a bowl. Take a cotton, dip it in the coconut water and wipe all over the face. Then wash your face using lukewarm water. Wash your face with coconut water continuously every day to get best results. Benefits. Coconut water has cytokinins and antioxidants that helps to eliminate acne, sagging skin, and help deep scar recovery. Drinking coconut water keeps your skin healthy, smooth, and younger looking. 4. Fenugreek, methi, and rosewater mask. How to use. Soak a handful of fenugreek, methi, seeds in a bowl of water. Leave them to soak for at least 5 hours. Grind them in a mixer and make a fine paste. Add few drops of rosewater to it. Apply the paste on your face. Before applying the paste, wash your face with warm water so that the pores get opened. Let the pack dry for 15 minutes. Once it completely dries, rinse with cold water. Benefits. Fenugreek has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that stops and reduce growth of pimples, blackheads, and other skin infections. It helps in nourishing and rejuvenating the skin. 5. Fresh aloe vera gel. How to use. Take a fresh aloe vera plant, slice away both the ends. Take the aloe vera gel from the center part of the leaf. Take the aloe vera gel and apply to the face. Keep massaging until the gel started to dry. Once the gel gets completely absorbed, wash your face with lukewarm water and pat dry. Benefits. Aloe vera contains medicinal and healing properties that helps to heal pimples, rashes, and scars. It prevents skin discoloration that is caused after acne heals. It makes your skin clear and smooth. It kills bacteria that causes skin infection. 6. Sandalwood, tulsi, and rosewater mask.